Introducing the upgraded ENGWE M20, designed for those who crave power, performance, and adventure. Experience double the range with the M20's dual 48V 13Ah batteries. With a combined capacity that extends your ride up to 150 kilometers, you can explore farther without worrying about running out of power. Equipped with a 750W brushless motor, peaking at 1000 W, the M20 provides swift acceleration and effortlessly handles 10-degree slopes. Conquer any road with unmatched power and reliability. The 20x4.0 fat tires offer superior stability and confidence on and off-road. Combined with dual shock systems, including front hydraulic and rear air shocks, you'll enjoy twice the shock absorbance for a smoother ride. ENGWE's innovative design features a fish-inspired streamlined shape and speed boost technology. Dual disc brakes with fast heat dissipation ensure safe and smooth braking in any situation. The Shimano 7-speed gears deliver reliable and precise shifting for any terrain. The lightweight aluminum alloy frame makes the M20 40% lighter than bikes with high carbon steel, enhancing maneuverability and ease of use. Discover the thrill of adventure with the ENGWE M20. Unmatched power, design, and comfort, your ultimate riding companion.